You might want to randomly send a blank message or want to prank someone on Snapchat. So in this video, I'm going to show you how to send a blank message on Snapchat. Without further ado, let's get started. Now first off, let's go to Safari or any browser you have on your phone and let's search for blank character. Now once that search loads up, make sure to click on the search that has the website compart.com. So tap on that. And right when the page loads, you should be able to see this blank character right at the center of the page. So just press and hold on that and the blank character should be selected and just click on copy. And now that we have our blank character on our clipboard, just open up your Snapchat and click on this messages icon to get to the chats page, and from here open up the conversation you have with your friend that you want to send the blank character to. So for example, I want to send the blank character to this specific friend. Now on this send a chat space, just press and hold and this paste option should pop up, so tap on that and click on send right over here. Now that blank space character should immediately be sent to that friend. So that ends this tutorial. I hope this video helped you out. If it did, don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel. Feel free to comment any questions you may have as well. So that is all for today and have a great day.